Guys, welcome back to the reading. Today we're gonna do a pick card reading on will you guys going to be together. So and what is their feelings for you, what is their situation right now. So all of your question I'm going to give you answers for, and what you need to do is you need to pick a stone between the black one and the pink one. So we're gonna begin with the black stone, the pile 1. So for the pile 1 we have what is their situation for right now, what is their situation. Okay, so this means deception. They are moving away from some kind of situation or some kind of person, or maybe they are moving away from you, or that can be also that you are moving away from them. That's why they are having knowledge about that. They feel like they have they are gathering knowledge. They want, this is deception. That also we can say can tell you about that is they are breaking up with someone. Maybe they are breaking up with their ex. They are clear their energy with them, or that can be also about that right now they are they are moving away from you for some time, because they are gathering the knowledge what you are doing, what is going on. So they are collecting the knowledge about you there, or we can say clearly that they are inquiring about you, but they don't have the right, they are not getting the right knowledge. What we can say, they don't have the right messenger who is providing them knowledge, but they do have feelings for you. This relationship for me is like they truly feel for you. They are feeling like they have feelings for you, but sometimes that your relationship is like a struggle for them. They feel like their past is way better than this situation. But if you want to ask me that do they have feelings for you, yes, they have feelings for you, but they are frustrated by some of your actions, something that you did with them, something that you did with your ex. So they are afraid of that. They have fears that you're gonna do that, you're gonna repeat this thing with them. So that kind of feelings they have. So our next question is, what is your what is the situation that they having right now, or your feelings for you. They're feeling like you are the complete you, without, they feel like they are incomplete without you. For few of you this is a twin flame relationship, a soulmate relationship also, because they are feeling like you are complete world to them, you are everything to them. With you they can't expect anything without you. Maybe they are not showing, they don't show that their feelings in toward you, they don't show their true feelings in front of you, but they have that feelings for you. They feel like you are a lady who have confidence, and they feel like you're beautiful, and they feel like you have energy. They feel comfortable with you. They feel like they need to, that you can, the only person who can understand them very well, no one else can. So they are feeling like right now they have so many, what we can say, so many things is going on, but the thing what I am telling you right now is they have feelings for you. They want to be with you, but something is blocking them, and that's can be your past, their past, or fear that you're gonna leave them, you're gonna cheat them, what. Wheel of Fortune reverse. Right now they are not in a good situation. What we can say, that they are having some kind of issue, they are having some kind of they are not having progress, they have problems that is not ending for them. They are feeling like they are stuck, the wheel is not turning. That's why things are not moving forward. But you feel like that things are not moving forward, but universe have their own way. Things are moving forward, but you can't, you can't observe them. They feeling like that there is something that is not serving them. And right now your situation or their situation is like they are having some kind of family issue, or maybe they have problem with their father or mother or something, with their friends. They having feeling, they have feel like that their love is unrequired for you, or maybe your love is unrequired for them. So I will explain that. Okay, so right now so they are, if some of you, for few of you, they are moving away from you right now because they are feeling like that you don't, their love is unrequired. They are feeling like their love is unrequited, you going to break up with them. So when you are going to break up with them, they feel like they need to break up with you first, with just because of your ego. Or the second thing I am hearing is that they are, release their ex now, and they have, they are gathering knowledge about you, and they're feeling, they have strong feelings for you, but they are not capable to tell you that. Some, for few of you, and that's why they are feeling like stuck, they are feeling like pain in their head, because they are not aware about your feelings, that what kind of feelings you have. That's, and for few of you, why they, they are like having family issues, they are having issues. The situation is, you love them, they love you, but both of you are feeling like they don't. So this is the situation here. And you have that negativity in your mind, that nothing is happening, nothing is going on. You want to pressurize these things to move forward, but that is not moving for you. But universe have their own way that is moving, forward, but your wheel is not turning. That's why everything you feel like stuck. Once your energy is changed, then everything will be okay. If this message, if you are not able to understand this message, you can comment below, I will explain to you. Let's move on pile 2. Okay, for the pile 2 we have, can I have some cards for what is their situation for the pile 2? What is their situation for the pile 2, please? What is their situation for the pile 2, please? Okay, so lover card again appear, so it's a love situation for sure. Or maybe you're asking for your love situation. So what is their true feelings for you? What is their true feelings for you for the pile 2? What's they have feelings for you? What is their true feelings for you? what is their true feelings? Okay, so right now the situation is they are hanged in some kind of situation that you are not aware about. They are, they are hanged in some kind of situation that maybe you are aware, but they want to move forward with you because they feel like you are an empress. You can solve their problem, and they feel like you are a home for them. They feel like safe. They have feelings for you. That is a divinely guided your relationship, guys, because this is relationship is going to some of for few of you this is a celebration, for few of you is it's a third party relationship, but there is lovers card, so victory is yours right now. They love you. Their situation is they love you. They see you as a great woman whom they admire and whom they want to be with, but right now their situation is that their feeling is can't they are okay, so they want to come to you, but right now they are not sure about that because there is two women, one is empress, one is queen of pentacles. So they need to there is choices and decision that they need to make, and their friends and family helping them. They want to come to them and ask them what I need to do for this, for the right, for this situation, and they are going to suggest, they are asking for suggestion. So, and that's why this person is not okay, I got it. So right now this person is involved with two women, for few of you or for many of you I can say, because it's mutual energy, but I am trying to explain. There is two women, one is queen of pentacles, one is empress, and they have affection and toward you, but right now this woman is in their life, so they are the decision is not made right now. Till now they're trying to explain, they think like that everything will be solved out, but there is too many person involved in this situation. That's why this is all happening. This is not their own decision, this is going to be a mutual decision. What they are going to tell you, they definitely love you, they have feelings for you. If you want to manifest this relationship, you need to do one thing. This is direct message from angels. Make the efforts, express your love, call them, message them, explain them, meet them, tell them. And if you don't want to manifest this relation, someone coming is toward you, so choice is yours. You want this or you want this. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support.